Merry Christmas, everybody. It's Dave from Cousins Paintball. It's Christmas Eve, and we're shooting videos because we got nothing else to do. Today we got the Etek5 OLED display in, and I want to see how to install one. Here's the new Etek5. I love it. I want to put a board in it. So we'll learn together. Okay, I actually read the instructions and learned some things. One, we're going to need to take both sides of the grip panel off. So we'll do that. Okay, now that I've got the grip panels off, should be pretty straightforward. Just unplug the 9-volt battery. The board is going to come out this way. You just push it from the battery side. Pull that guy out. Could probably actually do this without undoing the battery, but that'll make life hard. All right, here's your OLED screen. Got female on the board, male on the screen. Plug that guy in. Feed this back through. Oh, what's that? It's the I guess the dummy screen that they come with. It says Etek5. Oh, there's a slot to push that out. Feed it. Just install it back in. It looks like the button that you push is going to want to fall back into the button on the board, so be gentle with that. Everybody stay together. How am I getting hung up on here? Oh, dang button. Cool. Alright, yeah, just watch out for the button that you push. This guy here wants to fall back into the board button, so either lean it this way so it falls that way or whatever. Plug the 9-volt back in. Let's see what we got. Turn it on. Biggity bam. We got the eye indicator, so if it's blocked, just like an Ego or Geo, whatever. Your battery indicator, it's full battery, firing mode, programming, I'm assuming, because I barely read the manual. Should be the same. Hold the trigger, turn it on. This is harder to do than you would think from this angle. There we go. Ah, look at that. Preset. Just scroll through the stuff you want to mess around with. Yep, you pretty much got the same programming. Little fewer, looks like less options than you would on the higher end guns, but program, etc., same stuff. Hold. Your PSP 12.2, which cool. Put it back on semi. We're good to go. So there it is, all installed and ready to go. Have a great Christmas, guys.